Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for coming back to watch, and if you are new, you are welcome. Thank you for joining. Today I am with my friend Nuku Muswete, and I'm gonna put her details at the end of the video if you want to check out her channel. Nuku Muswete is a comedian from South Africa as well. Very funny. The only female petty comedian.
Yes.
Yeah, very funny. You want to check out her stuff. Her stand-up comedy is like
Stella.
she makes me proud.
Stella. Tell them. Woohoo!
So we just want to share with you the experience that we've just had a few days ago, a week, 2 weeks ago.
A week. No, it's 2 weeks.
Yes. So what happens? I wake up in the morning, go to Nuku, and Nuku was gonna take me to where I could have my hair done because I was traveling on that day. And then, where did you go?
We were looking for a salon that has internet inside.
Yes, because you were looking for something to fax and print and scan.
Yes.
And I was looking to do my hair. So where do you get both of it done in the same place? We went to Gezina.
Yes.
In Pretoria.
Mm-hmm.
We get there, everything is fine, getting my hair done. The next thing, there's an argument. Two guys, two grown-up men arguing over one South African rand.
And me, that argument, I didn't see it coming, because the owner of the internet thing was very friendly to me in the morning.
He even helped you.
He made my life very easy, guys. He did everything for me. He scanned, printed, just brought the papers to me to sign, and then he scanned for me again, sent everything to me on my email address. And I thought, wow, that's some customer
What a
service.
gentleman. What a gentleman. And the next thing we know, while I'm halfway through doing my hair, there's this big argument. They're fighting, arguing, like proper arguing, proper grown-up men. And both of them were Nigerian, so we were really enjoying the argument. I'm like, no, put it live. People have to see this, because they're calling each other a mumu.
And idiot.
There's
nothing as painful as an
your
idiot
mama uglier than my
Nigerian
man. They were saying, your father.
Your mother is an idiot. Your father's father is an idiot. Your father's uncle is an idiot. Your father's uncle's sister is an idiot.
And the next thing we see, they start talking about police. I'm gonna call police, and the other guy is like, I've been arrested 20 times this week. So what police are you gonna call? Next thing, they're police. They're threatening to shoot each other. Next thing, the guy comes back with police, and the police, no, he didn't go. He called the police, and the police came. And they were like, because they had locked him inside.
And for the police service in South Africa, those policemen came way too fast for my life.
I felt like it was just actors wearing police uniform.
You know, it's like they were just
Number one, they
around.
were too short to be police. But they could have been police, because they all had like gold tooth, so they probably on medical aid.
But why is it that if we can call policemen now, they won't come immediately? But those ones came immediately.
You are not their friend. The guy said that he's been arrested 20 times, but in 1 week, but he hasn't spent even an hour in jail because he is police.
Oh, okay.
And then next thing, we are laughing. Okay, they are police, blah, blah. Next thing, guns are being withdrawn. They're shooting.
I just heard that guy say, where is that idiot? You know, if you want to feel pain, have an argument with a Nigerian guy, let him call you an idiot, you will feel it.
It cuts deep.
Idiot.
It cuts deep.
Idiot.
They were shooting. No, they didn't actually shoot at first. And Nuku was just excited. He wanted to record the whole thing.
I wanted to see.
I'm out of here. I'm not staying here. And that night I was traveling. I had a few hours to get to the airport because you were traveling to Swaziland. I was traveling to Bangkok.
Yes,
And I'm like, I'm not staying. I've got a show to go to.
But I wanted to see the fight.
And Nugu just wanted to see the fight.
I wanted to record it. I wanted to go live on my Facebook.
The next thing we ran away. Sure. Yeah, ne?
I'm scared. And it started like nothing.
Like nothing at all. Please call Thingy. Which I felt sorry about because I ran away, my hair was half done, didn't pay the girl, and I took her home. But my life. And I'm sure she thinks I just disappeared because I was traveling, so I didn't even have time to go back to pay her. But I will do as soon as I get time. I'll go and pay her. And then we hid in a shop. Then the next thing, the street was just busy.
People were flocked there.
People were flocking. It just became chaotic. And then we managed to get out of the shop, and then we walked down the street. We're like, let's call an Uber. We called an Uber. Yo, guys, we are stuck on the streets. We just had drama, proper drama.
Life-threatening
drama. We almost died.
Imagine.
Yo.
And we can die now. Like,
Not now.
I'm going to Swaziland tonight. So
I'm going to Bangkok tonight. How can I die?
Like, we
It just
can't
won't
die.
be. No, not yet. Not now, please.
The world isn't known as yet. Like, we still have to do comedy.
Hi, Bo. Hi.
No.
Yeah, she took us to her sister's salon. So there I am with my hair half done. We get to the salon and they were quite busy, but they made time for us. And she did a good job.
She did.
And she finished me up. But yeah, it was hectic. It was chaotic. Like,
I was so
it
scared.
was trauma.
I've never seen a gun before except on TV.
And
then the guy who was being threatened, because the other one was saying, I'll beat you up.
yes.
I will beat you up. You can call the police.
These are
They will
two
come
Nigerian guys
Yes.
with a lot of pride and call the police. I'm not scared. I will pay them. This week alone, I've been arrested 20 times.
Yo. How many police do you know? Because I know all of them. And then that one said,
And the guy
I only
said,
know
okay, I only know one, but it'll make a difference when you come.
Jesus. The next thing, boom. Where is that idiot? Where is that idiot who wanted to beat me? He said he's not afraid of a gun. Take a gun.
No, at first the police came.
Oh, yes.
And the police were like proper friends with the guy. They're like, just open the gates and let him go. So he opens the gate. There's a fight with the police. Opens the gates. He comes back with a gun within 5 minutes.
Where did he get the gun?
I think the police gave him. Because it was just like 1 minute out. And then he came back. And the police are still with him. And they're also carrying their guns. Where's that guy? Where's that guy?
Where did he get the gun suddenly?
Now him and the police are looking for the internet cafe owner. All over one rand. Now you just ran away. I'm not dying for one
something
rand. For somebody's 1 rand.
Because you'll never know. You can be shot by a stray.
Whose only concern was, I'm about to perform with Trevor. No, I can't die now.
Yo, imagine. I was going to be convinced that indeed people from Limpopo are witches.
Yeah. She was just worried about her show because she had a show coming up. You had a Nugu was
I had just signed a contract. The reason why we had to find an internet cafe and a salon is because I wanted to sign my contract at that internet thingy and scan it and send it back.
And that was to perform with Trevor Noah. And that's a big deal because it was a big show. So Nugu's concern was just like, no, I can't, not now.
I can't afford to die now. No, imagine.
And you were doing Swaziland and East London.
You know what? I had a busy week coming up, and an exciting, Trevor Noah is a big deal.
Very big deal.
So I couldn't imagine people writing on my wall saying, oh my God, And she just told me that she's going to perform with Trevor Noah. Shem, the devil is a liar.
Yeah, but it was good fun. But guys, be careful where you go. Be careful where you go to do your business, your hair, your anything. Sometimes we want to support businesses, but our safety comes first.
The minute people start arguing about one rent, run.
Such a shame that the quality of the videos we took are not good.
We were going to show them.
Yeah, but I'll put some of them, and you'll see that we are not lying. This really did happen. It was scary. It was a lesson.
But it was like adrenaline.
This is English, my friend.
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline.
Not adrenaline.
You're a
Adre whatever.
You're a language graduate.
I crammed to pass.
You just sat next to the smart students.
Yeah.
But yes, guys, thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It is free. It doesn't cost a cent. It doesn't cost a penny. Please subscribe and follow the link that I'm gonna put down, and go to Nuku's channel and subscribe as well. And yeah, thank you. Be safe. Run away from one-rand arguments.
One-rand arguments.
They're not good for you.
Ron. My brother Ron.
Come on, Nana.
Bye-bye. Yes, I'm a small boy. Kanti, the emotions are busy.
Are building up.
Yes.
Next thing, he comes back with a
With a
shiny gun.
And
And
he
so
was...
we were still taking it like a joke, like laughing at the argument, because it was quite a funny. You know when Nigerians are arguing, your mother, your father are mumu, your mother are mumu.
Tete, are you the salon? I am bringing a client, ne? I'm bringing a client. I'm on Hamilton. Are you busy? You will see when she comes. She's braiding. Okay, sure. Yes, you know. And then they had an incident. Salon, violence.